Here's the same concept that we're dealing only with the information. I believe that real-time programming will be a major tool in the whole pipeline of creating any interactive experience. In the AR industry, it will be used for, first of all, for prototyping, before you jumping into hard coding, to have the feeling of the feeling and the blueprints, the actual interactive blueprints of the experience you want to achieve. That will be first. עכשיו תחזירי לאט לאט. Can you please go and sit here? Thank you.
I think it confused our hair.
Okay, so no, there is a solution, but we are not going to deal with it right now. So that's another problem in AR. Sometimes you need to change the environment in order to enjoy your experience. So now we are enjoying, what's your name? Liz, with a big red circle on her head. In this case, we have like the location. I will show you, it's better to show it than explain it. Someone asked about the alignments and how actually this so this is our rendering camera. She's pointing to the legs for some reason, but because it's also point down, I didn't. Now if you change the head, it will slowly adjust itself. Also, the lookout of the camera is pointing to the person head. It supports up to 3 people, but that's not really matter. You can move from side to side. They will feel how it's tracking you. To follow, because I did it with long transition. And I'm no hands. And that's also another challenge when I face, at least, to do any kind of interactive ARs. The difference, by the way, if you have like glasses that you will be able to come now and connect to it and able to move, it's a 3D, as you can see, it's a 3D information. We are limited right now because I don't have any helmet or any device that is able actually to do what I do now on the right side of the screen. Here is an example of other component that not come with the software. For some reason, the credit is not shown. It's a person who worked with me and called Keith Lustraco and Malcolm, the developer of this environment. You can move your hands. So yeah, that's not come with this environment. It's not even almost not used in games because it's too heavy on the GPU. But yeah, that's one of the strengths of this environment. It's very easy to experiment and creating very quick solutions and adapt technology very quickly.
הזיהוי עצמו של הידיים, כאילו אתה יכול לבצע אותו דרך התוכנה הזאת, אבל כאילו את האפקטים הנוספים זה מה שאתה מוסיף? או שגם את הזיהוי של ה...
He's asking about the detecting of the position of the hands. Doing it by yourself, like it's machine learning, it's Microsoft giving you this information with the SDK. If I don't have any tools to create other than usual OpenCV, but that's in this case it's come with the Kinect. But for example, if you will do in the future content for AR helmets, they will also bring you information from the real world. So that's currently a disadvantage. That's currently only a prototype tool.
Okay.
Yes. Even though I believe there is a place in the in the pipeline of creating any AR experience to go through this step, the prototype step. You can do things in days, in one day, with that approach, of the real-time approach. It will save you lots of headache afterwards. Big runs. You have a 2D fluid simulation, and also the same flames from NVIDIA. Also the GL cell of the 2D simulation, also Keith Lustrako is the person who did the generator.
Will it run on a regular computer if it's not a big GPU? Limited rate, but will it just not work?
It will work on Intel-based GPUs that coming with the CPU.
What, on laptops?
Yeah, on laptop, of course.
What?
It works. It depends what you want to do. If you want to do this,
if you just to try the basic. I mean, once.
you can do more than basic with the HD family of Intel. It really depends what you try to achieve. For example, you can do it with a very considerably weak GPU.
Like, so you see,
You want like it's okay.
like multiplies, you know?
Yeah. Let's do like a quick effect with a feedback. So if anyone hears now the feedback operator is you can take the previous frame and add it to the next frame. So she asked me to do a trace of the just a second. And that's the trace that you are looking for, more or less. Yeah, we now we need to adjust it. It's each change.
But you can't have them like as clear pictures. I mean, like as a.
Actually, I have an example for that. But that's not the best way to. I mean, it would take me a bit more time.
Well, see, so if I do it fast, then you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So you see how
Yeah, I see.
like the each kind of iteration of the movement.
Let's move to the next.
Yeah.
תודה רבה שבאתם.
תודה לך.
ואני מזמין כל מי שרוצה לבוא אם מכירים מישהו רוצה לבוא ולדבר על איזשהו, זה לא צריך להיות משהו ארוך, או פשוט לבוא ולהראות איזשהו real time experience that he's made. He's welcome to. I'm looking for more people to take this group forward.
צריך להזמין אותם את הווקינג, בכיף.
כן.